Welcome back. In this video, we will show you how to get your seller account approved. Step 1. Search Fabpik.in. Step 2. Click on Sell on Fabpik. Step 3. Click on Login. Enter your email ID and password. Fill the basic details. Select product categories based on your business. Enter your company name. Enter your brand name. Choose your shipping model. If you want to ship with Fabpik, check on Fabpik. If you have your own shipping service, check on Self. Enter your store name. Shop URL. Check to enable queries section. Click on Save. Now go to Change Password. Enter the current password. On New Password and confirm the password. Else and click on Change. If not, then click on Next. Go to Company Details. Enter the name of business. Under Legal Entities, if your company is registered, then check Registered. If not, then check Not Registered. If registered, enter your company registration number. Select the type of company. In case of not registered, enter your company registration number as NA, which is not available. Check individual under type of company. If you are GST registered, check yes. Enter your GST number. Upload your GST certificate by clicking on Select File and upload from your computer. If your GST is not registered, enter GST number as NA. To incorporate certificate, click on Select File and upload from your computer. Enter your office phone number. Enter your address. Select your state. Enter the PIN code. Now click on Save. Now go to Warehouse Details. Enter the address type. Enter your address. Enter the landmark. Enter your city. Select your state. Enter the postal code. Check yes if you want to make it your default address and click on Save. Now go to Bank Details. Enter the name of account holder. Enter the bank name. Enter your account number. Confirm your account number. Enter your IFSC code. Enter the branch name. Enter the SWIFT code if you have. Upload the cancellation check by Select File. Click on Save. Now go to Point of Contact Details. Enter the individual representing company. Enter the individual email ID. Enter the designation of the individual. Enter your phone number. Also provide your alternate phone number. Click on Save and Submit. Now please wait for the approval of admin. To know more about further process, please refer to the next video. Thanks for watching.